Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through how to find USPS tracking number, how to find USPS tracking number without receipt, how to find USPS tracking number. Step 1. Locate your tracking number. Check your post office sales or mailing receipt. Look for the tracking number on the online label record if you purchased postage online through Click and Ship, eBay, or other services. Find the tracking number below the barcode placed on the mailed item. Step 2. Track your package. Visit the official USPS website and enter your tracking number in the tracking form. Click Track Package to get information on the package's status, location, and delivery time. Step 3. Contact USPS for assistance. If you still can't find your tracking number, contact USPS customer service at 1-800-275-8777 for help. How to find USPS tracking number without receipt. Step 1. Set up USPS Informed Delivery account. Creating a USPS Informed Delivery account is another effective way to track your package without a tracking number. This account allows you to digitally preview your mail, manage package deliveries, and track your packages for free. Step 2. File a missing mail request. If you have lost your USPS tracking number and need to track your package, you can file a missing mail request with USPS. This request involves providing details such as the mailer and recipient's address, shipping date, and package description to initiate a search for your package. How to find USPS tracking number by address. Step 1. Check your email or order confirmation. The first place to look for the USPS tracking number is in the email or order confirmation you received when the package was shipped. The retailer or USPS should have provided the tracking number in this communication. Step 2. Contact the sender. If you don't have access to the receipt, label, or shipping confirmation, your next best option is to reach out to the sender and ask them for the tracking number. Step 3. Use USPS Informed Delivery. USPS offers a service called Informed Delivery that allows you to digitally preview your incoming mail and packages. This may show the tracking number for the package you're expecting. Step 4. File a missing mail search. As a last resort, you can file a missing mail search request with USPS. Provide them with the sender and recipient addresses, the date the package was mailed, and a description of the item. USPS may be able to locate the tracking number this way. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.